Good morning, Commissioner Wenzel, Co-Chairs Lopez and Taylor, and the members of the State Board of Education. I hope you all had a wonderful holiday season and Happy New Year to everyone. My name is Liz Misiewicz. I'm a 7th grade English teacher in Ridgefield and a resident of Shelton. I come from a family of teachers. My sister is an ELL teacher in Fairfield. My purpose in speaking is to share my enriching experience with TEAM, Connecticut's Teacher Education and Mentoring Program, and respectfully ask you to restore funding to this nationally recognized teacher induction program. Not only am I a TEAM graduate, I'm also a mentor and a reflection paper reviewer. My experience as a mentee was so powerful that I am devoted to advancing the work of TEAM because of how greatly the program and its data system benefits new teachers and provides crucial support. I have led sessions at conferences organized by the CEA and also at the Connecticut Teacher of the Year Council's Empowered to Lead symposiums. As someone who sat in Governor Malloy's Educator Common Core Implementation Task Force, I have seen firsthand the importance of having a strong induction program available to support and guide new teachers through the implementation of the Common Core state standards. I remember the summer before I began my first year of teaching. The excitement and the nervousness, the mix of emotions, as I'm sure you've all felt at the start of a new career. But what settled my mind so I can continue to spend my summer focused on planning curriculum to positively impact student learning, rather than on my nerves, was TEAM. Knowing I was going into this profession with support from a mentor, I felt a sense of safety and security knowing I could seek advice on the modules in addition to other questions, so I could focus on teaching and not be overwhelmed by stress. I constantly hear from other new teachers how important it is for them to have this relationship with the veteran teacher. I especially like the ability to choose goals personal and specific to my teaching practice. I then sought out books and more to find ways to achieve those goals. TEAM keeps us abreast of the latest news and research in education that we immediately apply to our own classrooms. For one module, I introduced student-led book discussions connected to evening online discussions to grow critical thinking skills. TEAM provided me with the ability to create this learning environment. And now other teachers are coming into my classroom to observe me to see how they can implement it in their own classrooms. The entire process is guided by a strategic data system known as ctteam.org that tracked my goals and seamlessly sent communications to my administrators as I completed modules. New teachers visit this site multiple times a week to utilize its many resources. We rely on this system to track our mentor hours, keep records of our papers, and our certification. It is more than a database system. It is a record and a portfolio of our hard work and dedication to improve student learning and advance our certification. How will this be done if the site goes away? There is nothing to replace it, leaving teachers stressed and unsure of where their certification stands, and the effects will be resounding. How do we expect our state to remain at the forefront of education with this cut in funding? New teachers deserve the support TEAM and its data system provides. I respectfully ask you that this board recommend the restoration of funding for the TEAM program. Thank you.